On.
Hey guys, welcome back. We have our radon detection experiment set up here. But before we do anything with that data collection, we want to make sure that our instrument is calibrated correctly. Now we are using a bit different instrument than what you're used to. You're used to the tabletop scintillator crystals you have. Instead we have this big guy on the floor here as our sodium crystal. And so we have a new instrument, so we want to make sure that our settings are right, which means they're going to have to be changed. So in order to calibrate that correctly, we will be using something that you are familiar with, which is our cobalt 60 and cesium 137. So we'll go ahead and put those on the crystal here. Now we did have to fiddle with the voltage, the coarse gain, and the fine gain to make sure our peaks looked correct. And so we're starting our collection here. You can already start to notice our cesium peak and our cobalt peaks here. They're looking pretty good. So we'll let that collect for a little bit. Alright, so we'll stop it there. It seems pretty good. And we'll make sure that we energy calibrate this 3 points. So we'll do our cesium peak here. Oh, we'll make sure this is a kiloelectron volts, KeV, set, and we'll do this one right here, which is going to be 660. We'll set that. We'll do our cobalt peaks here, make sure that's right. Channel 807, and that'll be 1173. And we'll do our last one here. And we'll set that at 1330. Alright, so we have our energy calibrations set up here, which means that we can remove our cobalt and cesium. And now we can put in our radium here. We are going to be using this because the gamma ray emissions are going to be looking at specifically are going to be lead 214 and bismuth 214. Those are the gamma peaks that we should be seeing. So now that we have that, we're going to make sure these are the peaks that we are going to see, so we can clear this data. We're going to hopefully see these peaks where we want some. Now lead should have peaks at 295 and 352. Now this will need to collect for about 10 minutes, but you can already start to see our lead peaks here, which are at 295 and 352. And we can see our bismuth 214 coming up here at 609. So we're going to let this go for about 10 minutes. And we'll see where our data comes after that.